Hello everyone. Boreda, good morning. Pre-nounda, good afternoon, wherever you are watching this today. This is part of the Intersectional Identity Project. Today I'm going to be doing a workshop exploring body movement and dance movement, themed around the whimsy animals. So whimsy is the story, the animals in the whimsy story. Today we're going to be squirrels. Helping me out is...
Hello, my name is Dominica Rao.
And?
Hello, my name is Plamity.
So, like I mentioned earlier, we're going to be squirrels. So get your animal's instinct in this time, get your animal senses out. So first, before we do all of that exercises, so the exercise movement I'm going to teach you, which you can add to your workout routine at home, in the gym, wherever you are. And yeah, before we start that, we're going to do some warm-up. Always advisable to warm up before exercise. So what warm-up we're going to do now is we're going to do a karaoke move. So you're going, stepping in with your right foot, then step with your left foot, and bring it back, reverse, and reverse. I'll do that again one more time. So go in, in. Really good. Now let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So you can make it as big as you want, as extra, or as simple as you want, and add in the arms as well. I will like go 3, 2, 1, and stop. Really good. And now we're just gonna rotate, let the body, blood flow around our body by just doing a few rotations now. So what we're gonna do first is our neck. We're gonna look to the right, go 1, middle, left, middle, right, middle. Really good. Tap, in, and out, tap. And really good, tap. Ooh, now bring in the feet as well. Can we add the feet while bouncing? Right, middle, tap, tap, right. Really good. For a few more. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Really, really good. How are we feeling now? Good? Well done. The first funky fitness routine we're going to do is we're going to act like a squirrel. Get into a squirrel position, round quads, and arms up that way. And we're going to be reaching for our food. Okay? That's the first one. Second move we're going to do straight after that is going to be the scratching of our nose, and we're reaching as well. So 1, 2, 3. On the fourth one, we'll reach on the alternate side. 1, 2, 3, and we'll reach. Got it? Let's go. 5, 6, 7. So we're reaching now. First move. 5, 6, 7, 8. Reach down, reach, and reach. Good. Reach, reach. So while you're moving your lower part as well, so you get that movement there. Good. Hey. Couple more. Hey, give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Really, really good. Now we're going to do scratching and reaching now. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and reach. 1, 2, 3, and reach. 1, 2, 3, reach. 1, 2, 3, reach. Good. Keep that going. Hey. 5, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Really, really good. The next two routines we're going to do, we're going to have our arms down that way. So send our right legs out and bring it back in. So out and bring it back in, like a rotation with the quads as well. So is that. That will be the first routine for the second one. And the second routine will be, we're going that way, stand with our right foot. So it's 1, 2, 3, and a sharp jump. 2, 3, sharp twist. So we've got that. The first one is this, and the second one is moving to the side with a big turn. Cool. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, and back, and go, and back. 2, 4, and go, and back. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really good. And now you can do it to the side if you like. 4, really big, exaggerated move. You're really opening your hip flexors there. 1, 2, 3, while engaging the glutes, the gluteus maximus. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Really, really good. Good effort. Now we're going to leave here those moves. You can pick whatever you want in there. You can improvise with it. You can add whatever you like. Add it to your workout routine. Like I said, the love of the exercises, like you said, like that one, is really getting your hips going and like even reaching as well. Getting all your lateral muscles. They work wonders if you really get into the routines. And now we're going to perform by just picking some of the moves we just learned just now, putting it together, and then we've got a performance piece for you. Afterwards, we can do a cool down, and we're done for this workshop, okay? So I think I like this one, where we go scratch, scratch. Now we're gonna make it look like a dance, so we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. But on the fourth one, while we reach, we pull ourselves as well, reach, and we follow with our reach, okay? So while we're still there, go 1, 2, 3, 4. On the fourth, we're going, so we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and we'll pull ourselves, reach, okay? We might need to cross over, so if we go 4, right, we're there, we'll cross over with this leg, that's when we'll pull ourselves, okay? So I'll do that again from this side. So this is our performance piece. We really want it to be really nice, so we feel like, ooh, that's my performance there, that's my piece, okay? Acting like a squirrel though, being in nature. So we're there, so we'll go with this, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and pa, 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 pa. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're there, yeah, good ones. Pa, 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 pa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. Really good. So there, our dance performance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pa, pa, pa. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, pa, 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 pa. 1, 3. Pull, 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 and stop. Really, really good. Well done. So for the cool down, always advisable after exercising, after a dance routine, we'll do a cool down to let the muscles know like, oh, you've worked hard, you've worked really hard. Now it's time to relax and rest. So we're gonna go just around the world, deep breath in, go in. I'll bring it round, out. One more time, deep breath in. I'll bring it round, out. Thank you for taking part in this. Well done.